Hey guys, this is Ian, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the light on your shifter. So what we have here is the 997 RAV4 first gen, and the replacement for the light on your shifter is pretty much straightforward. So the first one would be on this side where the cup would be, or the cup holder would be. You do have a screw on this side and on this side, and also on the opposite side, which is the same location right here. So the first thing we need to do is remove this coin holder right here. It's not screwed or anything like that, so you can just pull it with no problem. I went ahead and also removed all the screws to make it faster for you guys. I don't want you to get bored just watching it. Now this particular one right here also just pulls out, and as you can see there's a tab on the top. So let's go ahead and put it on the side, and from here we could then also remove this part right here, which you pull from the front, since there's a tab in the back right here, so you don't want to break that. Let's put that on the side right here. So at this point, in order for you to remove the central console right here, it might be easier to actually put the car in neutral, like so. And all you need to do is pull it up. And there you go. So that we remove the center middle console right here, which is right here. So as you can see, here is the where the screw goes in for where the cup holder is, and on both sides right here. So let's go ahead and put the car in park, and from here, if you want to go ahead and start cleaning up a little bit, this is the perfect time to do so. And the way to access the bulb, you don't need to remove this screw right here. All you need to do is press the tab on this side and also on this side, and that will enable you to bring it up. Now you don't have to remove this, you just move it on the side. And if you look closely right here, if you could focus a little bit more here, here is the actual bulb. So you could pull it right here, but the easy way to do it is to turn it clockwise, and that would remove the bulb holder with the bulb itself. And if you look closely right here, there's actually a tab that corresponds inside, so that when you turn it clockwise, you could then pull it out. So from here, it's as easy as pulling the bulb out. We're gonna go ahead and remove the light bulb right here and compare the bulb that we have on this side. So this is definitely the same one. So let me go ahead and put this right here, and since this is an LED, it does go on a certain order or polarity. So if you put it in and it doesn't light up, all you need to do is reverse it. Here we go. Let's go ahead and turn the key, and let's go ahead and turn on the light, and there you go. You're all set. So all you need to do is put it back onto the holder, which is right here. Reverse the step the way we removed it, and you're all set. So that completes our replacement of the light indicator on your shifter. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and again, you guys have a nice day. Bye.